Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2017 Harley Street Glide. More specifically, we're installing the siren for the factory security system. We're gonna be talking some security today. So, tools you're gonna need for this job are none. Just your good old fingers. So, I'm gonna start by pulling off the left saddlebag. And if you don't know how to do that, you probably should just leave now. But seriously, just in case you really don't know how, just counterclockwise on both of these twist tabs here, and then it'll pull off. So let's do that. All right, now that you got the left bag out of the way, you can take off this left cover here, and you just actually grab it and pull it towards you, and it comes off. A couple of snaps, and you're good to go. 3 snaps later, just little pins go inside here. That's off, and now I tell you, pull the main fuse. So that's pulled, and now this cable here is just sitting in a dummy plug, but that is your security siren, and you're going to slide the security siren in this open slot down here. So let's get that done. We want to take this plug out, just pull up on this tab, pull it out, and then plug it directly in the siren. So we'll get that done. That's the part number from Harley that you'll need. Let's see if we can get in there. And then this is the unit. I didn't go with the advanced one that has it's series 2 or something like that, that has the pager with it. The pager had a lot of bad reviews, so I didn't even care to do that. But we're just going to plug in this plug that I pulled from the dummy spot into there, and then we'll slide the whole unit back inside there, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I got it plugged in there, and then what you want to look for is this sound disc here, is what they call it. That's where the sound comes out. Is going to face down. It's kind of hard to see in there, but on the right side here is an opening facing down, so the sound comes out down by the wheel. See if you can see that in there. So we'll just slide it in there, and it's actually got this little latch right here to hold it in place. So let's do that. So just like that, it's installed. It's plugged in, it's latched, it's facing down. Now they said it may not work right away because there's a backup battery in it, and the backup battery has to charge. But go ahead and put your 50 amp fuse back in, side cover on, your bag back on, you're all set. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for checking it out. Have a great day.